So, we had a quote unquote incel go on a bit of a rampage recently in Canada. And I haven't seen any photos of what the guy looks like, but people are saying that he was an incel. I thought he was ugly, so he was like a black pill guy. And Rebel News was the one that released the his manifesto when very few, if any, other news sources released it. No one else released it, I don't think. I'll do some more research about that, but I'm pretty sure it was only Rebel News. Rebel News in Canada released the shooter's manifesto. Now, I think they had an agenda by releasing that, and I think they had an agenda by accusing the shooter of being an incel and being this black pill loser. Also, they put a bit of emphasis on the fact that this black pill loser that went on a shooting rampage in Canada tried game. He tried game, and they highlighted on their website that he approached 100 girls in 1 week. Yeah, big effort. 100 girls. It's like sending out 100 emails hoping to get a CEO job. It's not really effort. It's relatively easy to do 100 approaches. I wouldn't say you could do it in a day. You probably could if you worked hard at it, but you could approach a lot of girls over a longer period of time and refine your game and make sure that you don't smell and make sure that you have a haircut and make sure that you are dressed well and make sure that you don't dribble down your chin while you're talking to the girls. There's a lot of things you can do. But I don't think that Rebel News cares about that. And I wonder why. And this is where the conspiratorial person in myself comes out, where I start thinking that Rebel News has an agenda, and I think I know what that agenda is. Now, that shooting that happened in Canada, it happened out the front of the Pornhub, the largest porn website in the world, the most profitable porn website in the world. And so he was aiming to shoot people that worked for Pornhub because he wanted to shut down the porn industry. Interesting. I haven't read the manifesto. I've only had a look at a few different pages and things that I've been sent. I do know someone who has tried to read it, but he said it was too long and too boring. But generally, he wasn't that dumb. There was something more than just some incel black pill loser that couldn't handle it. There was something more to him. But Rebel News has a bit of an agenda going on here, and they want to shut him down and portray him as some loser that couldn't handle it. He did 100 approaches, and this loser couldn't handle it at all. Incel, coward, and he went on a shooting rampage. I think it's notable to I think one notable thing that happened was, I think most of us are aware that one of the police officers that was crouched down, one of the rabbis, a Jewish rabbi, ran to her for help and she shot him. Female cops. And then, so my understanding is that rabbi was somehow connected, I think, to Pornhub. and that area was a special area full of people that are all connected to Pornhub. And then that guy actually went out of his way to hit a specific area, to shoot a specific type of person who happens to be working for a specific company. And Rebel News wants to release the manifesto and accuse that guy of just being a loser, can't handle it, did 100 approaches, he tried self-improvement, wasn't good enough for him because he's a coward. So what are they trying to do here? What's going on? Well, I'm on my way to 7-Eleven to get myself a midnight iced coffee, by the way, just in case you're wondering why I'm walking around down alleyways. I think I go over here and I turn right, I think. I'm in another city doing an immersion. So, I hope I'm going the right way. So the conspiracy here is we think that Rebel News, not just Rebel News, the people behind Rebel News, if you know what I'm talking about, the people behind Rebel News, the sneaky people behind Rebel News, we think that their agenda is to try to convince men that game doesn't work, so they quit. And if they quit and they don't work, look at this, look at these two. Can you see that? Wow. Massive cats. Sorry, I lost my train of thought as well. This is a pretty crazy conspiracy, but what if they're trying to portray men's help, self-improvement, game, riz, as something that's impossible to learn, that even this so-called intelligent man who wrote a manifesto and planned this shooting, if he couldn't do it, you can't do it either. What if that is part of the agenda and it's a vicious, violent, I'll turn right here, it's a vicious agenda by these people at Rebel News who work for the evil people that are trying to crush our society. And if they can constantly keep pushing this narrative that men's self-help, you can't improve yourself, it's all about looks, because a lot of these same people are behind Clav. That's why Clav's such a fucking weirdo. It's all about looks, bro. Don't bother hitting the gym or becoming alpha, just inject something, because, working hard is a waste of time. You should be weak and pathetic, and you shouldn't try. And unless you're guaranteed victory, you shouldn't even try. So you shouldn't even play any sports because you might lose. You shouldn't even participate. You should just go hide in your basement. You shouldn't even have kids. That's the problem. That's the conspiracy. What if the Rebel News outlets out there that are supposed to be on your team are actually working for the people who are destroying your society? And in fact, the shooter was trying to target the people who Rebel News work for. And then who's Rebel News? And who is Rebel News? And how many other networks are connected to Rebel News? And what countries connected to Rebel News? And what elites are connected to Rebel News. We can go down this rabbit hole as long as you want. Come down this little rabbit hole with me. Why does black pill content get a lot more clicks than, I don't know, getting off your fat ass, you lazy piece of shit cunt? And then who controls YouTube? Think about it. Think about all of these things. Come down a little conspiracy theory rabbit hole with me. Just be a lazy piece of shit. Give up. Rope. Black pill. Don't do any exercise and get fit, because then you're a threat to the system. Take steroids so that when you actually get into a fight with the system, you just have a heart attack. Don't actually get fit and actually compete. Oh. Don't have any kids so that we can have the great replacement. Now, I don't think it's a conspiracy theory at all. I think it's directly correlated. It's directly connected. And in my comment section, I see these fucking losers every day. My left, by the way, I'm on my 3rd surgery. My right hip's been replaced, then my left hip replaced, right hip, like I had a hip resurfacing. Then I had the left hip and right hip replaced. It's called a hip resurfacing, which is a major hip replacement. My left hip replacement is actually hurting. I'm actually in a bit of pain now, but what am I doing? I'm out walking. I'm going to get an MRI soon, because I might need my 4th major surgery. That means I won't be able to walk basically for 3 to 6 months. I have to go through rehab all over again and might actually lose the leg, because they're going to have to cut up more bone this time. They don't want men that do this shit. They don't want men to keep getting up. They want little bitches. That's what they want. And was this guy a little bitch, or are they trying to cover something up? I don't know, because I don't know anything. All I know is what Rebel News shares and Rebel News opinions. Eh? You following me? The question is, what are you going to do? What are you going to do about it? So anyway, hopefully life is good for you.